xoxo challenge. This time it's Cece's turn. So I'm not going to help the first thing, the second thing.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be transforming my sister's hair. Okay, first we're going to use a color remover to get the red out of the hair, and then we'll come back and do the rest.
I know better than to call back. I missed your call, I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault, I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. Me and weightless got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams, I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding that in your stuff. I've been flipping pages since I could remember, that told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never want to look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith.
I'm beautiful.
And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Oh, purple hand. Pew pew pew.
Purple hand. Pew pew pew.
Take a chance on faith.